welcome to Run Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful bamboo knife set that I got. Really nice set. You can put it in your drawer, as you can see. It fits really well. It's got a lot of knives. They're really sharp, really great material. It's like stainless steel, and some of them are black with plastic handles, so really nice. I love it. You got bread knives, there's chef knives, slicing knives as well. As you can see, really nice. They slice amazing. Even has steak knives down here. These are small, like the stainless steel ones. Then it has even like the slicing knife and the paring knife. And each one has its own little spot for it. Even over here, it has the same, like the Kantuko slicing knife. Then you have another bread knife and another paring knife, but also in the stainless steel, so really nice. Then on this side, in the middle, you have a sharpener as well, so really nice. I love it. I love this set. You can take apart the pieces if you need to. They are magnet. This is really well made. I'm in love with this. It fits perfect in my drawer, and I can keep all my knives nice and together, and when I need them, just take it out and use them and put them back. So I love it. I highly recommend this block, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.